Figma curved text. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Figma.com in your browser to begin the process. Log into your Figma account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. Once you're logged in and directed to the home page, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the All Projects section to view your existing projects. When your project appears in the list, click on it to open it. Inside your project space, locate the Create button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on the Design option to start a new design file. After the design area loads, go to the toolbar at the Bellow section and click on the Draw option. Then, click on the Shape Tools button and choose the ellipse shape from the list. Begin drawing a circle by clicking and dragging while holding the Shift button to maintain perfect proportions. When your circle is ready, go back to the toolbar and click on the Text option. Then click the circle's outline. This allows you to start typing your custom curved text.